DJI, the undisputed leader in consumer drone technology, is poised to revolutionize aerial photography and videography with its upcoming 2025 lineup. As drone enthusiasts and professionals eagerly anticipate the next generation of flying cameras, three models stand out: the ultra-portable DJI Mini 5 Pro, the versatile Mavic 4, and the professional-grade Mavic 4 Pro. Each of these drones promises significant advances in camera technology, flight performance, and intelligent features, setting new standards in their respective categories. Based on industry leaks, rumors, and expert analysis, let's dive deep into what these revolutionary aircraft might offer. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a major upgrade in the world of lightweight drones, weighing under 250 grams. This weight is important because it means the drone doesn't need to be registered in many countries, which makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. The Mini 5 Pro keeps its small, foldable design that people love but brings improvements to almost everything it can do. One of the biggest changes is the new camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is said to have a 1-inch camera sensor, which is a big step up from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This larger sensor is important because it lets in more light, leading to brighter, clearer images and better performance in low-light conditions. This means the Mini 5 Pro can take better photos and videos, even when it's darker outside. It's also expected to record video at an incredible 6K quality and at 4K with up to 100 frames per second. These options are great for content creators because they allow more creativity and flexibility when editing videos. The Mini 5 Pro doesn't just improve in its camera features, its flight capabilities have gotten better too. It might be able to fly for up to 40 minutes on a single charge, which is an improvement from the 34-minute flight time of the Mini 4 Pro. This extra time means more freedom to capture amazing shots without having to stop and recharge as often. The drone is also expected to fly at speeds up to 18 meters per second and handle wind speeds up to 12 meters per second. This makes it more reliable when flying in tough weather, so you don't have to worry as much about strong winds affecting your shots. Another impressive feature of the Mini 5 Pro is its safety and smart flight functions. It's expected to come with an improved system that senses obstacles all around it, making it less likely to crash. This feature is usually only found in bigger and more expensive drones. Additionally, it includes better intelligent flight modes, which make it easier to take complex and cool shots without much effort. These advanced modes help users create professional-looking videos and photos with just a few taps. Recent FCC documents named JV31 and JV32 have shared some exciting news about the upcoming Mavic 4 drone. This drone is designed to be faster and easier to control, which is something many drone users have been asking for. The Mavic 4 is expected to weigh less than 900 grams, making it lightweight but packed with new features. One cool new addition is the built-in LED lights that make flying at night easier. This means you'll be able to see the drone better when it's dark, making night flights safer. Another useful feature is the dual micro SD card slots, which allow users to store more data without needing to swap cards as often. This is great for people who like to take lots of videos and photos on their flights. The biggest change in the Mavic 4 is its new battery system. The drone is expected to have a powerful 99.5 hu battery, which is a big upgrade compared to the Mavic 3's 77-way battery. This new battery could let the Mavic 4 fly for over 46 minutes on a single charge, which is a lot longer than most drones in its class. Longer flight times mean more opportunities to capture amazing shots and videos without having to stop and recharge as often. This will be especially helpful for people who like exploring or filming longer scenes without interruptions. Another improvement is that the new battery will have USB-C ports built right into it. This makes charging much easier when you're on the go. You won't need any special charging equipment. You can just use a USB-C cable to recharge the battery wherever you are. This is a convenient feature for anyone who likes to take their drone on trips or needs to recharge quickly without a lot of extra gear. The Mavic 4 Pro represents DJI's vision for the future of professional aerial imaging. Leaked images reveal significant design changes, including a redesigned front section, modified obstacle avoidance sensor placement, and a distinctive circular body behind the gimbal. Navigation lights have been relocated to the rear legs, while the overall weight has been reduced to around 900 grams. The camera system is where the Mavic 4 Pro truly shines. It's rumored to feature a revolutionary triple-camera configuration with larger sensors, possibly incorporating Sony's cutting-edge Litia series sensors. The system is expected to offer dual native ISO capabilities, 4K video at up to 100 fps with HDR and professional color profiles, including 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG. A groundbreaking 90-degree upward tilt feature could open new creative possibilities for aerial photographers. Advanced AI capabilities enhance autonomous flight modes and tracking features, while improved aerodynamics contribute to better overall flight performance and maneuverability. The battery system is expected to exceed the Mavic 3 Pro's 5,000 mAh capacity, with regional variants available to comply with different drone regulations. DJI appears to be planning a strategic rollout of these models throughout 2025. The Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to launch in February 2025, maintaining competitive pricing with the current Mini 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 could arrive as early as 2025, while the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to debut in April 2025 with a starting price of $2,199 for the standard bundle and around $2,999 for the Fly More bundle. DJI's upcoming drone lineup demonstrates the company's commitment to innovation across all market segments. From the ultra-portable Mini 5 Pro to the professional-grade Mavic 4 Pro, each model brings significant improvements in camera technology, flight performance, and intelligent features. While these specifications are based on leaks and industry analysis, they suggest that 2025 will be an exciting period for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.